Yes, I'm back to black. Real quick before the video starts, I'm gonna give a huge thank you and shout out to today's sponsor of the video, Car Gazette. Ooh, did you hear that high note? I've been working. But in all seriousness, Car Gazette is the only company on the market as of right now that's a subscription service that offers cleaning products as well as merchandise, being more geared towards usability with providing tools, microfibers, air fresheners, and the cleaning products, all in a monthly subscription service, dog. While the competition only offers shirts and stickers. Now this month, your boy received, you know what I mean? Oh, Icy got me a nice little poster. You hear me? So the theme of my subscription box is JDM. So all the stuff is JDM inspired. Ooh, got that hand cleaner, playboy. Oh, microfiber wash by Chemical Guys. Love their products. Stickers, most stickers from Tokyo Drift. Air freshener Fast and Furious, sweet. And the coaster. And microfiber. And we got some merch. So, and you too can have all of this if you sign up today with discount code Zosh, baby. So check them out. Car Gazette, real dope company. I love that they give you actual products and not just shirts and stickers, but you get air fresheners, you get hand cleaner, you get microfiber wash, baby. You can detail your whip, son. You can't beat it. You just can't beat it, dog. Everything you need to know about Car Gazette will be all down in the description box below. Huge thank you to the guys for sponsoring this video. Now let's get it on with the video. So, as you guys can read by the title, hopefully if you guys can read by the title, if the title is actually what I think the title is gonna be, your boy's getting his muffler on, which means we can finally throw on this cut bumper along with my diffuser. So, I can button up the back end of things. Yeah, So, that is the goal. I'm finna get ready, get everything geared up, head over to my boy Keem's house. He's like the homie welder, and he does really great work. So, when I go over there, I'll talk more with him about it. Well, not more with it. I'll tell you guys more. I won't. Yeah. Before I have a psychotic breakdown, he makes dope stuff. And if you would like a custom-made manifold, well, if you're Jamaican, a gallifold, I forgot how to say it. You can't. Fun fact, if you are friends with Jamaicans and they say the word manifold, then they are not Jamaican. Super facts. Get Christina ready for this 20-minute drive. Bring the new muffler we're gonna get welded on, which is this Block's 3-inch turn down, baby. And then the turn down gonna meet with that diffuser, and they gonna meet with that hat cut bumper, and we gonna be moving. So I'm driving my car now, just thinking about like life and stuff, and one of Vasile Racing, you guys know Vasile Racing or Vasile Garage, one of his last pictures with a caption of something of like, when you drive, you know, being behind the wheel, you know, you think about how to become a better friend, better son, better husband, all that stuff, and it's just like, it's true, man. Like, me spending time in this car, not the Civic, but the Integra, just driving it, it makes me, I don't know, like I just think about how I can be a better person to the people that's important in my life or who are in my life. And I don't know, I just wonder, I don't know, it's been a minute since I've been transparent with you guys about like my life and stuff. Coming up, my birthday is November 8th. You know, every year on my birthday I drop a video with the age that I'm turning. It's been like 2 years now. I did 23 or 24. No, I did 22 and 23, so this year would be 24. And yeah, that should be a very good one. It's like basically a year recap of like what happened from November 8th, 2018 to November 8th, 2019. So be on the lookout for that if you want to, you know more about me or get more of my life. I don't care. Like I said to somebody on my Facebook page, this YouTube channel is more or less of a diary for me. You know what I mean? It's like, it's just me showcasing progress, whether it's in my personal life or my YouTube life, career life, or whatever. It just, I don't know, it's a vlog. It's a video diary, video blog, whatever. So yeah. All right, so we made it over here to Keem Fab's new residence in the Loose, and yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and jack the car up and get this bad boy on. Well, yes, sir. Ooh, so you said that sunlight. Gotta show that cypress green in that sun. Oh my God. Imagine some bronze TEs, blue spoon calipers, blue seats. Tell me y'all ain't seeing the vision, dog. You gotta see the vision. You just gotta see the vision. Oh, it's beautiful. And this is his daily hatch life. Vibrant pan is off. I got this blocks like, I don't know how many months ago, but now it's finally ready to go on. So we're gonna mock up, see exactly what we gotta do, and then go from there. This video is super short. The intentions of this video was just to be a muffler install slash I don't know. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Shout out to my boy Rob, who sold me the Blocks 3-inch turn down a couple months ago. And yeah, man, it's just Blocks. If you're watching this video, great exhaust tone of that muffler. Hey, that thing sounds fantastic. And I hope when I see you guys at Simply Clean or any other car show, I hope you guys can say the same thing. Because I don't know, I know how the camera distorts sound and all that stuff. But all in all, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. Huge thank you to Car Gazette for sponsoring this video. And be sure to click the link down below to find out more information and to sign up using discount code Zosh. And that's gonna wrap it up for this video, man. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.